So I have this BeBox that I bought in 1996 and had shipped to my old address when I lived in this house. Rented a room there, and I haven't actually gotten this thing out in probably 20 years or more. Mouse, keyboard, not sure if those go with it or if it's a bag. All right, let's see. There it is. The BeBox. Well, let's see. How am I going to get that out of here? Okay. There it is. The side up. Okay. Well, there it is. A little dusty, maybe. Didn't put it away clean, I guess. But it's been sitting at my parents' house for the duration. So I got to plug in some stuff. Got to find a power cable for it, I guess. Hopefully one of these VGA. Anybody? Oh, there it is. And I got this monitor for free at work. And it happens to have a VGA port on it. All right, I got to find a power cord.